Dear students, today we will learn more concepts of internet basics. The first term is WWW, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a set of programs, standards and protocols governing the way in which multimedia files are created and displayed on the internet. And what is internet? In the last term I have already discussed it. Internet is a computer based worldwide communication network which is composed of large number of smaller interconnected networks. Dear students, most of the people confused with WW is internet and internet is World Wide Web, but it is not true. Here internet is, we can say that internet, most of the part of internet is World Wide Web, but World Wide Web is not internet. Internet is large number of smaller interconnected networks. It is more than WW. Okay, and WW was described by Tim Berners-Lee. He discovered WWW, World Wide Web. Next we define web page. A web page is a digital document that is linked to the World Wide Web. When you visit any site or you type URL, a web page is displayed and it is made in HTML, Java, C#, whatever the development language used to create that website. So a website is a digital document that is linked to the World Wide Web. And what is a website? A website or a site is a group of related web pages hosted on a web server and are linked together and share a common interface and design. Example of website is cbscacademic.in, Donbass, and lot of websites you visited are example of websites. And what is a web portal? A web portal is also a type of website, but it differs in content and services from a typical website that provides only specialized information. Example of a portal is Google, Yahoo, Rediff, MSN, AOL are examples of, these are the examples of web portal. Now next term is home page. What is home page? Dear students, whenever you visit any site, you see a icon of home. Means the first web page when viewer, it is the first web page when a viewer go to a website. It is called, since we know that a website is collection of large number of interrelated documents, and the first page of that site is called home page. Next term is client. Any computer on the networks that requests services from another computer on the internet. Means any computer on the network that requests services from another computer on the internet is called client. And server is any computer that provides services to its client is called server. So these are the basic terms, and next I give you some assignments. Assignment number 1, question number 1, write full form of the following. First www, W3C, URL, and fourth is TCP/IP. Question number 2, differentiate between website and web portal. You have to at least write 3 points that differentiate between website and web portal. Next question is differentiate between www and internet. You have to write at least 3 points that differentiate between www and internet. Question number 4 is what do you understand by the term URL? You have to explain about URL that I have discussed in lecture number 1. Question number 5th and last question is write 3 examples of website. You have to write URL of 3 websites. So that's all for the today. Please solve these questions and post on the group and also write in your fair copy. Thank you.